all begins with a single flame.
This is kind of inspired by Sal over at the Root Boy Cooks. Last Friday, he made some really great looking pork chops out on the grill. And I said, you know what, we haven't had pork chops in a long time, so I'm gonna do that also. This is all they had. I don't know if you can see that or not. And there's another thing that is going to be different about this. I went to 3 stores looking for what I was out of: our traditional, our standard, our usual Sang stir fry oil. House of Sang's stir fry oil. Couldn't find anywhere. We went to like 3 stores. They're sold out. I hope they're not discontinued. Anyway, to make a long story short, I'm gonna have to use this. This is just grapeseed oil. It has no flavor. It will not contribute anything to the chops, but it will act as a binder. So that's what we're gonna do right now. And maybe 10 minutes have passed, give or take, a little bit more, a lot less, I don't know. Coals are ready. I know this is C-Spot Run, but I kind of haven't done this in a while, so why not, right? And we're just going to spread these coals out just a little bit. These are small little pork steaks, pork chops. I don't even want to call them pork chops. Get the grate in there, get it warming up, so that in a few minutes you can scrape the grate, clean it off, and get on with the rest of it. But this is gonna help out a whole lot. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Tango Spice. Come on, come on, come on. Let's work it on out. And away we go. Shut up, dog. Nobody asked you. Of course. Of course. It'd be smoky goodness without a barking dog, right? Right, here are our chops. They're only probably ½ an inch thick. So, we bought 4 of them. Just because. They are pretty cold right now, so hopefully they warm up quickly. So, grapeseed oil, no flavor, nothing special about it. It's only a binder. So, yeah. Alright. And as a binder, like I said, it will not impart any flavor at all into these chops. But, you know, that's just the way it goes, you know. Boink. 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 And boink. Alright. Some of what I like to call the piece de resistance. If you haven't tried Tango Spice Twist and Shout on pork, what are you waiting for, man? It's really good on pork. It's got that kind of unique flavor that no other rub really has. At least not in my experience. Rub that in. The coals are already ready. The coals are hot and ready already. Freddie. Eddie, did you hear Freddie? He just repeated what I just said. You didn't? Oh yeah, he's still in the labyrinth down in that eddy. And he's eating spaghetti. Shut up, Mr. Smoky Goodness guy. God. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but this has a little bit of heat. You got sesame seeds, or caraway seeds. I think those are sesame seeds. I don't know. Anyway, this stuff is fantastic on pork. Been using it on pork for years. Ah, yes. So thank you, Tango Joe, for another amazing product. I hope this one hasn't been discontinued. This has been, actually I've got like 3 or 4 shakers of this. All ready to go. I keep some just because sometimes I need some. All right. Gonna get these on the grill. Stick around. Coals are nice and hot, ashed over. All right, we're gonna start off indirect. Fattest part of the chop facing the coals. And the larger chops a little bit farther away from the coals or something. All right. Well, I don't want to waste any of this kick-ass rub. Low and slow for about, well, I don't know, until the internal temperature reaches about 140, 145 degrees, at which time we will sear them. And then after that, time to eat. If you're looking, you're not cooking. Let your spider senses be your guide. All right. I haven't been looking at the clock. I've just been using my spider senses. I say these bad rabbits are done. Actually, I did check them here a moment ago. They're all up around 140, 145. We're going to give them a final sear directly over the hot coals. Both sides, of course. Wouldn't have it any other way. Oh, baby, they smell delicious. Did I just say, oh, baby? Didn't mean to do that. Let's see, we'll do this. And you're going to have to be a straggler for a moment. We'll do this right there. All right. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. And then once we get them seared, I'm going to pull them off and let them rest for about, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. Look at that sear, huh? Isn't that not beautiful? Yeah. So let me finish this up. We'll see you inside. Stick around. Sal used some Blues Hog barbecue sauce. I don't think it was the original, but this is my favorite barbecue sauce at the moment, you know. But before I douse my pork chop in it, see what it tastes like, huh? How's it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness Guy? I'll find out. Oh, the tenderness. Oh, perfect. There you go. You want some?
Sure.
All right. See you next time.